guys, welcome back to another one, and this time we're gonna be teaching you how to play the clutch for the manual transmission in a Hyundai Veloster N. It's no videos, it's no information how to do this, so I'm gonna be showing you what this car is doing because the clutch is complete, because I switched the engine and I put back the transmission with this new engine, and obviously the clutch has to be bleed out. I'm gonna be showing you what this one is doing right now so you guys can learn how to do it yourself. Okay, on this one, what it's doing is the clutch is getting, and when you put it on gear, it gets the gear. You see? But right now it's running by itself with the clutch in. So let's go and say, let's go and say that we're gonna be going in the light with the clutch in, and if we break it, now we're in first gear and we're gonna break it, and look what it does. It shut off the engine. Why is doing that? Because it's thinking that it's still rolling. So all the time that you press the brake on it, it will shut off the car. Now I'm gonna be showing you, I got another one over here, manual transmission Veloster N2. So let's go and say that I'm on first gear. So right now I'm on first, I'm pressing the clutch, but if I press the brake, you see, it doesn't shut off. So that's how it should be. That's why that clutch has to be bleed out, so it stopped doing that. Now I'm gonna be showing you where you guys need to look it out for the clutch to bleed it. Okay, so you guys are gonna look, this is the power cable, and this line is the clutch, and you see the plastic fitting over here, and you see this clip over here, and this one is the one that I removed the line. So what you guys are gonna do, when you're gonna need two people for this one. So the person inside is gonna be pumping the clutch, and then when you're ready to release the pressure, the person inside is gonna hold the clutch all the way in the bottom, and over here the other person is gonna be pressing this down and pulling this back. Don't remove any clips or nothing like that. So pressing down, removing back, and over here is gonna be spraying water, or I mean liquid, which is the brake fluid. These cars, they use DOT4, which is the brake fluid. So you guys need to make sure that it's full, and this one is full all the way to the top. Close it, and you're gonna be seeing how we do it right there. So right now the other person is pushing the clutch. When they're ready to hold it all the way in the bottom, he's gonna let you know, he's gonna hold it, you're gonna press over here and pull it out at the same time, and it's gonna be spraying liquid up, so be careful. Hopefully you guys saw that. Pushing that clip is real hard. I don't know if you guys can see my finger. You see the mark right there? So I'm gonna try to use a rag or something because it's really hard. So if you guys use pliers, it will be better for you guys. Hopefully you guys saw that. So now we're gonna start the car and we're gonna see. So we start the car, but we have to keep doing it and doing it and doing it. The easiest way, pliers. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna press it like this, and with the other hand you're gonna pull it and pull it back in this line. Right now we're keep doing it until the person inside, it feels the pressure on the clutch. So now we're gonna be trying to see if it works. Nope, it doesn't work, so we still need to keep doing it. Alright guys, so doing it by the pump with somebody else inside is getting kind of pointless. So right now what I'm doing, I got the machine, which is that one. That's the one that it does the vacuum. So what I did, I release the pressure. It's open right now. So I clamp it, open it, and I'm using the air compressor. So you can suck all the air to see if it works like this. Alright guys, so in the last video you guys saw that was bleeding the clutch, which it was over here, but it ended up, it was never catching. This flying wheel is so pretty good. But look at the clutch. This clutch, it was gonna never catch. So that's why we removed the whole engine again and everything. And look at the pressure plate. Gone. So basically I was like, okay, I got this extra engine, let's go and take it out from this one. Look at this one. This one is completely worse. So that's part of the clutches. Look at the clutch. This clutch is gone too. And look at that pressure plate. So I had to buy a new clutch set, which for these cars they're pretty expensive. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be doing another video with the new clutch, so continue the series. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.